Going on YouTube, I just got this in. It's called the orange fucking technology. So you just plug this in right here. This side goes bottom down. Just plug it in. I think it's in all the way. This does right here is delete the 4-cylinder mode and just stays in V8 24/7. All right, so essentially when you're cruising, it'll stay in V8. It won't ever drop down to 4-cylinder, which I didn't really care for. I always wanted to have my power. I think it pops more. It fucking pops more too. Holy shit. Holy shit, it pops more. Dude, this thing makes it pop more. Holy crap. Dude, it's going on for like 30 seconds. Holy shit. Wow. Dude. Yeah, so it disables the fucking Chevy fuel management bullshit. Fuck that. If you keep it in 3rd gear, let off the gas. Dude, the burbles last so fucking long now. Holy shit.